So, have you ever heard someone say their company needs to improve their SEO? Well, at first you might think they're trashing the owner of the company. Isn't it CEO? Nope, it's SEO, and it's a big deal. Or probably better put, if you use the internet, then you're unknowingly the recipient of its benefits every day. Okay, so what is it? What is SEO? We know the internet is this plethora of information. In explaining SEO, using a library analogy is useful. Imagine all the information on the internet was in a library. Big library, right? I know. So you visit the library looking for a book on, say, how can I repair my bike? Now, in the old days, between you and the librarian, you would search all the books in the section outdoor pursuits or bikes or something similar. It would be literally a needle in a haystack scenario. So what the big search engines do is scour the internet for words, relevant words to your inquiry. So in our case, I, repair, and bike. Which sites in the entire world relate to I, repair, and bike? Jeepers, how on earth do you sort that for relevance? Well, when searching, search engines need to organize the most relevant information according to what you are searching for. They have large algorithms that sort relevant pages on the web. These are very clever algorithms, which are largely confidential, are complex and sort using hundreds of factors, but just know they search every word on every page on every website. And of course, because there are multiple search engine providers, the faster, more relevant the search results from one engine, the more competitive that search engine will be in the market. If they don't provide you with what you want, you'll try another search engine, right? Google receives over 63,000 searches per second on any given day, and that number is going to continue climbing. And here's the other major point. If you've ever searched for anything, it always comes up with thousands of results. I just typed, how do I repair my bike? And I got 138,000 results. Now, be honest, I suspect you've really progressed beyond the first page of results when you've searched. So search engines cleverly sort data and readers only read the first page. So if you want to attract visitors, how do you get on the front page? Well, in short, you need a comprehensive SEO strategy. And this needs an understanding of the basics of search engine prioritizations, performed by algorithms that sort the findings in a preferential order. Search engine logic follows some basic principles. Firstly, they search for the relevant keywords, obviously, so websites that exhibit these in their title or headings or even text will be selected. This is where the word optimization comes from in SEO. You are optimizing your text on your site to be found by someone who, in this example, wants to repair their bike. Next, and this is a little self-fulfilling, it promotes up the list those sites that have high organic traffic to their site. That means sites that receive a lot of visits from genuine customers or clients. This can be boosted by marketing initiatives, like the purchase of sponsored ads and other online marketing strategies that help drive traffic to your site. This is often termed SEM, not to be confused with SEO. This means the information on your website, like your words, content, and updates, are strategically placed there to be found by search engine algorithms. SEM is active in that it seeks to find customers to bring to the site, often at a cost, like pay-per-click ads and social media marketing. Next, the algorithm promotes recent material. Latest news, like relating to fixing bikes, recent uploads and updates. Inactive or dormant websites sink to the bottom of the pile. And finally, and probably most critically, is what they call obtaining authority. Now that is where genuine third-party websites have links to your website. This means they think your website is so important, they'll put a link from their website to yours. The algorithms regard this a bit like a resume reference, but the algorithms are very sophisticated and will detect any form of manipulation of these factors. Deliberate overuse of keywords on your website, bike, false visitors, automated updates, and phony websites referencing yours. These are the basic principles needed to climb the search list as high as possible so your website appears on the front page and not on page 152 of 138,000. SEO is a good thing, and when used creatively can bring very substantial benefits to the website owners and users. Like lots of these technologies, SEO is developing rapidly. So, let's see where it's going.